Chicks and Chucks, and welcome to Florida Day 7! And we are back in the Magic Kingdom! Woohoo! Back for some more fun!
All the earth sings word and the flowers grow in the ticky, 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 ticky room. Starting right away, we think the audience too. Mesdames and messieurs, introducing the lovely ladies of the ensemble, just like the fully bergère with only feathers.
What we ride in April? Pirates of the Caribbean! The Festival of Fantasy Parade, but it means that the Rainy Day Parade is now coming, and this has been on my Disney bucket list. I've wanted to see this. Yay! Splash, splash. Hey Pluto! Hey! Hey Chip! Coming along with this rain lasts. Splash, splash. Hey! Hey! Hi, Belle! Hello, Cinderella! Hey! Smee! Daisy, you're my favourite! We just watched the Rainy Day Parade, which was so cute, and I've been wanting to watch it for ages. It's been one of those things that's always been on my Disney bucket list, but obviously it's not something you can plan to watch. It's just if it rains and Disney decides to put it on. But it was really cute. I got a vegan bratwurst hot dog and tater tots. To the sea! Cheers!
I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's its and what's its galore.
Now the only fish is happy and we're happy. But we said good feed. We want the land for loves to cook. Under the sea we off the hook. We got no trouble. We'll see.
Kiss her! Take me back to the day Belle and Beast fell in love.
Aren't you a good-looking bunch? Especially you in the back. At least we hope so.
The entire tail. Don't move. Oh, well, where are you, mademoiselle?
Now!
Surprise!
And a very polished.
have just gone to meet the princesses. We met Rapunzel and Tiana, and before that we went to do Enchanted Tales of Belle. And now we have got our spot ready for the fireworks, the Happily Ever After firework, and I'm so excited. This is the first time we both would have seen these fireworks because I think they started just after we left the last time we were here, which was about 2 years ago. So yeah, we've not seen these before, so I'm really excited. And every time, I've not watched it all the way through online, but I've seen little clips, and every time I've watched it, it makes me cry. So I'm really interested to see if it makes me cry like in person. But yeah, it's ram-packed. We had to get this spot 2 hours early, so if you're coming here to watch the fireworks, make sure you get here very early and get a good spot. But look how pretty it looks. And Main Street is lighting up. Pretty. Also, because it is our first time watching it, I'm not going to be filming a lot of it. I'll film like a couple of little clips so that you get the general idea of what it's like, but I'm not going to be filming it all. So if you want to watch it all, there are plenty of videos on YouTube where you can do that. But yeah, I'm just going to be enjoying it for myself.
And they all live happily ever after. Each of us has a dream, a heart's desire. It calls to us. And when we're brave enough to listen and bold enough to pursue, that dream will lead us on a journey to discover who we're meant to be. All we have to do is look inside our hearts and unlock the magic within.
Ready to begin, let the wonder take hold.
Really draw you in, watch the moment unfold. I can see that we're meant to follow, setting out for a new start. Every wish finding born into motion, diving in with our hearts wide open.
Hey, hey!
See the light shine, it's lovely. No more dark, keep it going. What's beyond that line? Will I cross that line?
Wow!
Calls me, I'll go.
My favorite!
Love is an open door.
Wow!
Love is an open door.
No matter what they say, you'll be here in my heart.
And it's warm and real bright, and the world is somehow shielded.
Tarzan!
Waiting for me. With a crowd to cheer when they see
Mulan!
my face, and the voice keeps saying,
There he is!
"This is where I'm meant to be."
Tarzan's there as well! Moana! Alice is on that side!
For you are the key to unlocking your own magic. Now go. Let your dreams guide you. Reach out and find your happily ever after.
ever after. As you can tell, I cried all the way through it. What did you think?
It was amazing. Rubbish!
No, it was not. I thought that was the best fireworks display Disney have ever done.
It is very fun.
That was just like incredible, and yeah, I just cried the whole way through. That was the best.